Okay.
Ito naman, more questions for you
More
guys.
questions.
Wow.
Hindi
Bigla
pa
tayo napunta
nagtatapos
dyan,
doon.
Hindi pa tapos sa Fast Five.
Hindi
May
pa
kasunod pa.
tapos. Meron
Okay,
pa.
okay,
Ano
okay.
to?
Eto, parang dito naman guys, pipili naman kayo ng side bilang pardagulan partners nga kayo all the time, di ba?
Okay, ipagbabartagul pa natin sila.
Correct.
Sige.
At syempre, yung mga connected kapatids natin online, papapiliin din namin kayo ng side. And of course, you get to
Anong
answer the
panig
question
ang-
as well. Okay, go ahead, Marcia.
Sige, simulan natin sa unang tanong. So, anong panig ang pipiliin nyo dito? Sa love, kailangan bang sinasabi ng babae ang kailangan niya o dapat alam na ito ng lalaki?
Okay.
Kailangan malinaw. Minsan kasi ang daling mag-assume na naiintindihan ng isang tao kung ano yung kailangan mo. Pero hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon, ganun yung nangyayari.
I love that.
Di ba, Maui?
Communication is key.
Oh, di ba, Jess?
Communication,
Oo.
para makakonect.
Tama, galing mo doon.
Ikaw naman, Maui.
Yes, like Jess said,
Ay,
dagdag ko.
iba
Ay,
dapat.
Copy paste.
Copy paste. Ano ulit sinabi mo? Pulutin ko lang. Hindi. Tama naman kasi you cannot, hindi naman tayo parang maghuhula. Diba? And at the same time, porque hindi nahulaan ng partner natin, masama na siyang tao.
Yes.
Because lahat tayo, iba ang kinalakihan, iba ang naging surroundings, iba ang naging, how do you say that, perspective and our, in life, So, communication is so important.
Kasi nag-realize ko lang, meron kasing iba na feeling nila kapag hindi naman sa kino-confront, pag nag-bring up ka ng something, you try to communicate whatever it is that you're feeling, iniisip nung isa, that's already confrontation. Hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Oo, yes. So, depende rin kung paano mo kasi siya sasabihin. Yan, di ba?
And I think if you truly love each other, you will see it as a chance to improve your relationship
Yes.
rather than an attack. Ano?
Tama.
Yes, there you go.
Correct. Communication is key talaga.
Totoo.
Ito naman, para sa ating next question. Ungkat yung past or move on?
Oh, yun. Ang bilis, sige, sagutin mo.
Hindi, charas lang. I think a little bit of both. Okay? Because ako, I'm the type of person is I always want answers. Medyo hirap ako to leave things vague.
Open-ended.
Unsettled. So parang, okay, hindi ko ungkatin, but if it gets brought up, let's say may makasalubong tayo or whatever, ma-bring up, then, can you tell me about it if you're comfortable? I would ask you to tell me about it. And then, we can just go over it. And then, after that, okay, let's move on. Para lang I'm not left in the dark. Hindi ako yung mukhang walang alam sa nangyayari sa'yo. Lalo na if you are my partner, I somehow need to know about it. Diba? Para pag binring up, hindi ako parang walang alam. It makes me look bad also.
Tsaka that's also the way for you to have your peace.
Yes. And that's how you understand your partner better. By the things they've gone through in life. Para, diba, maganda yung maging dynamic.
Wow, love
Galing,
that.
galing.
Magaling yun. Magaling.
Para naman kay Jess.
Sa akin, the only way you can move forward in anything is if there's clarity.
Clarity.
Sa kung lahat ng aspeto ng buhay mo, kung malinaw, kung paano nagtapos, paano nagsimula, at kung may pagtatapos ba talaga nangyari, kailangan malinaw para din makausad ka sa buhay.
Totoo.
Diba?
Kasi it would really be harder to leave things unclear. May babalikan ka talaga if
Oo.
things are unclear.
Totoo.
Okay.
So, okay. Next
Move on.
question na.
Mag-move on naman tayo.
Move on. Ang pipiliin natin ay move on. Kaya naman, the next question natin. Survival of the strongest or survival of the friendliest?
Go!
Parang to
Si akin, survival of the friendliest. Parang pakiramdam ko, if you end things that na marami kang nakasalumuha at naging kaibigan doon sa proseso, parang ka na rin nanalo. Parang ikaw na rin yung pinakamalakas.
I love that. Na-connect niya yun,
Yeah,
yung strength
na-connect
and
na.
friendliness.
Sundan mo yon.
Nakagalingan
Paano
mo
ba
ba?
magagandahan yun?
Okay, so because we are able to choose both naman, no? So I will say both. Because being friendly is, for me, parang that's human decency. Okay? You have to be friendly to everybody you meet kahit pang anong posisyon niya sa buhay.
that's
Dapat
true.
you treat everyone equally
Yes.
in a nice way.
Yes.
Ngayon, okay, so that's you being friendly. But sometimes, may mga nangyayari sa buhay that it will require you to be strong. Hindi uubra yung pagiging soft mo. Kailangan mo maging strong. So when you put both side by side, you will be able to overcome most of the things you will have to do. And I thank you so much.
I love that.
So, sino po ang pinakamagandang sagot po? Iboto
Ay,
niyo.
talaga!
kayong dalawa kaya? Kayong dalawa kaya?
Okay, bilang host naman kami, it's your time.
Oo,
Kami naman, Jess, let's go!
So, being friendly or survival of the strongest?
Kung ano po yung sagot mo.
At least na lang.
Pero wala na problema. Okay.
Pero hindi, totoo. It goes hand in
Ah,
hand.
Yes,
totoo yan.
parehas naman. Tama.
Of course, we have to be friendly, but hindi pwede yung plastikan. Of course, there's sincerity behind the friendship you would have to offer. And at times na nabully ka na, or
Yes.
they would
If a
step on
friend
your
mo pa ba
feet,
yan?
you would also have to show your strength
Yes,
at times. But still, in a respectful way.
Yes,
That's
tama.
right. Oh, your turn.
Yun na, nasabi niyo na. Ano pang inaambag ko? So yun nga, well, it's okay na maging mapalakaibigan tayo. Pero yun nga, hindi naman all the time na kakaibiganin natin lahat. Lalo na kung napakita na nung tao yung interest niya sa'yo, kung paano kanya itarato, pipiliin pa ba siyang maging kaibigan or palalakasin mo na lang ang sarili mo na humarap sa ibang bagay at talikuran yung...
Alright.
So yun naman, it's all about intentions.
Yes,
That's
yes,
right.
yes.
Pag mali ang intention, hindi mo kaibigan yun.
Tingnan mo kami ni Jess.
Tingnan mo kami. Oh.
Wala. Sama ang intention parati.
sa isa't isa.
Kahit ako pinasama na yung compliment
Hindi,
ko kanina.
pero totoo, yung sa amin dynamics namin ni Maui, bagamat ganito kami magbardagulan, it's our language. Yeah, how we connect with each other.
Ba't walang love doon sa language?
Language.
Language ang diba?
Hindi ko masabi yung love eh.
Inomit niya talaga yung
Ang
word na
talino mo
love.
doon, napansin mo, tumigay sa'yo. Honor student ka doon.
Talaga, muti ka na ako magsalita ng bawal sabihin online. Muti ka na ako nang magsabi
Ako
ng
kung
word.
makita nyo lang yung DM naming dalawa.
Ay naku, huwag naman tuloy-tuloy yung thread namin. Puro po, nakaka-cancel yan. Bleep, bleep.
Ito guys, next question.
Okay.
Oh.
Mahal ko o mahal ako?
Saan galing yun?
Diba?
Wala sa prompter yun ah.
Ikaw na, kaya mo na yan.
Ang hirap sagutin nito. Sobrang hirap nito. Aha.
Pwede namang both.
Okay.
Oo.
Siyempre both. Pero I'll tell you something I am so ma-pride. Okay? Which is bad. I know. I'm working on it. So siguro bilang ma-pride ako, ayoko yung mahal kita pa hindi mo ako mahal. So baka piliin ko yung mahal ako. Ayun. That's, I mean, not because, pero I can't guarantee na porque mahal mo ko, mamahalin na rin kita. If we're talking about on a romantic
Yes.
way or in a romantic way, ano. Pero yun nga, dahil bilang ma-pride ako, ayokong ako magmamahal tapos wala ako. Walang reciprocation, no? So, mas mahal ako. Ganun.
Same.
Kaya,
Mas mas mahal ako. Kasi I think lalo sa panahon ngayon, we're all about attachment styles.
Yes.
So for me, bilang isang, makoconsider ko
detached.
yung tao ko, hindi naman sa detached, it's more of secured na tao. So parang hindi ko gugustuhin magabol sa isang tao na hindi ako mahal. Mas gugustuhin ko na mahal ako. At bilang mental din kasi akong tao, it's something na feeling ko kaya kong matutunan in the long run.
I love that. Yung talagang we would learn to love who love us as well.
Yes,
diba?
choose the person who chooses you.
I love! Yes, correct!
Oh, yun.
Bakit parang may pinag-uusapan?
yung titig niya kasi sa akin, who chooses you?
Oh.
Talaga ba, Jess?
Yung mga anak mo, araw-araw kang pinipili.
Yes,
Kaya
and that's why
araw-araw
I
mo
choose
sila
them and they
pinipili.
are number one.
Naisal ba kita doon?
Kaya wag mo ba ako
Say thank you, Maui.
Hindi, ayoko.
Para sa mga
Ayoko,
host
may
natin
pride says
today,
no.
hindi nyo ba ako tatanungin?
Ay,
Ayan, oh, game kayong dalawa. Game.
Interesado ka doon sa tanong.
Mukhang interesado sila.
Pero copy-paste lang din pala yung
Copy-paste.
answer.
Ano?
Hindi, actually the same. Of course, I would choose someone who would love me kasi we wouldn't wanna be in a position where naghahabol tayo ng tao, di ba? Yung tinatalikuran ka lang,
Aray.
very exact,
Parang
very
may
eksena.
emotion ka talaga.
Parang naluluha ka.
Parang may pinagdadaanan sa amin.
Parang may hugot ka ngayon eh.
Itakbo
Kasi
mo yan
po,
mamaya, ah.
Pero ayun, of course, I would want the love that I give to be reciprocated as well.
Tama.
Tama.
Ikaw naman.
Naku, ako na naman yung last. Sasabihin ko na naman kung ano po yung sagot niyo. Ayun
Tama
din ang
kayong
sagot
lahat.
ko. Siguro ako, mahal ko. Kasi gusto ko yung binibigay ko yung kung ano yung nararamdaman ko. Hindi dahil ipapakita ko yung pagmamahal ko dahil minamahal mo ako. Gusto ko, pakita ko sa'yo kung gaano kita kamahal. And that way, mapakita mo rin kung paano mo ako mamahal.
Ang ganda yun.
No.
That's very selfless.
Kasi
Yes.